What is that noise? Is that natural? Not natural, is that normal? Let's see if it'll do it again. It's not letting me open it. But you hear it. Please help. What is this?